might keep on this side. I'm not sure yet. I don't know. Or I might split it in half. It depends on how thick the hair turns out to be. It'll determine if I decide to split these pieces in half. Okay, so if the hair is not too thick, which I think I might, because I might just grab and go. But I kind of want to separate it by strands. That way I can kind of see and pace myself so that I won't actually overinstall it. It won't be too thick. So I kind of want to just separate them by individual strands. I think that this will move a little faster. And I'm just putting these on the back of a chair, y'all. Okay? Because they come already separated. And I don't think I want to put them in my hair with the curls so defined. I think that I want the hair to have more body and movement. I don't want it to be too uniform. Okay? The plan is for me to braid my hair all the way down, like maybe 3 turns past my hair, and then go ahead and knot it at the end. So that is the plan. Okay? And it's like 1 pack. I'm looking at the hair, y'all. 1 pack, it feels like a lot of hair. Like, it looks like a lot of hair. And for the complete install, I installed 3 packs of hair for my normal install, but I did split that hair. Okay, and the fullness, it was pretty full. This is one little thin strand right here. So let's separate it. I mean, I just feel like that's a really small braid. I mean, plus my hair in there, that's still a really small braid. And I don't know if I'm going that small, y'all. Okay, and then we got this one here. Let's separate it and see. Shit, this is kind of thick, you know what I'm saying? Like, you thinking when you putting it inside your head and then you got like a gazillion braids, that's kind of thick. But it also kind of depends on how far I have to braid down my head, and then when I get started I can kind of see what size boxes that I want to use. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is stretch my hair. I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it and stretch it out, y'all, so that it can be easier to manage and part and all of that. I'm going to use Infusion 23 and this cheese straight guard. My hair is completely blow dried. So what I'm gonna do is go through and section my hair off into about maybe 5 or 6 different sections so that it'll be more manageable. This is where we are so far. Okay, this is where we are. And your girl got this whole top half to finish, y'all. Like, oh my gosh, who told me to do these braids this small, y'all? Little they are. Okay, they are so small. This is like 2 and almost 3. I would say 2 and a little bit over a half of the 3rd pack left. So the plan was to do like some braids that was loose at the end. We call them freestyle braids. Some people call them pick them up and drop them, pick up and drop braids. I don't know, but we call it freestyle braids. It's where you usually take human hair and you braid it down about this far and then the rest of it is hanging. That was the plan. That was the plan. But literally, y'all, I braided down to the end of my hair. And this is where she stopped at. So, I don't know what kind of braids these are. We're going to call these sexy braids. Because, baby, they sexy. They sexy. Okay? Let's take out this pack. Let me show you guys how much hair I've been using for each one. So, what I've been doing is taking 1 strand and splitting it in half. Okay? So I'll take this one strand like this here, and then I'll split it in half, and then I'll take it and then I'll split it in half again, and then kind of layer it, give it a little, so it won't be so bulky at the ends, even though it's still bulky at the ends. Some of them I staggered more than others, just so I can get a little bit more length on it. And we're gonna start on this side. Where my hair ends, so I want to make sure I braid all the way down at least 3 times past your natural hair. You want to try to braid down, okay, so your hair can be nice and protected. Okay, then I'm gonna take a small little piece. Like when you're using his hair, make sure you take a thin piece of hair like this, because if it's too thick, it is not going to knot well. Okay, and I like to pull it upward really tight, and I knot it twice. Okay, so we take it, you cross it over the front like this. Okay, you have your hand here, and you take these 2 fingers, loop it behind the braid, grab your piece, pull it through, and then pull up tightly. Bam, sis. Bam. Alright, beautiful people, I am on my last little row, and it is currently like 11:11 or 11:12, 11:15, one of them numbers at night. Like, it took me about 18 hours, y'all. Kid you not, maybe 24 hours to complete this style, and your girl still ain't done. I think I had anticipated only using 3 packs of hair. This is currently pack number 5, y'all. This is currently pack number 5. I don't have any more hair left after this. So I used so far about 4.5 packs, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and finish. thick and full. It is a lot of hair. So I think I'm going to go through and add some layers into it because it really is a lot of hair. But I'm so happy. I look like Morticia.